Hello, good morning student. Myself KK Bhatt. Today I am going to teach you the fourth part of narration. Fourth part of narration. Yesterday I have taught you about the tenses, where in reported speech tenses remain unchanged. In that sequence, I have told you about the universal fact as so model word as so many. Today I am going to discuss the change the person. It means to make indirect sentence, how will we change the person from reported speech? It's very necessary. For this, you know that there are three person: first person, second person, and third person. I will try to describe this person from the following chart. Look here. Just I have written here. In one box, first person. In another box, second person, and another box, third person. And this person has been divided into three sections. First is subjective case, second is possessive case, and third is objective case. And also, look here, this possessive case is also divided into two parts. One is adjective and other is pronoun. Look here, in first person, you know that in first person I and we used as a subject. I and you, we used as a subject. And same as we can't use my and our as a possessive adjective. Whenever you find in the sentence mine or our, listen here, mine or our, these are possessive pronouns because with this word there is no nouns, no any nouns has come. With this word, no any nouns has come. This word always come in singular form, in plural form. That is why this word is called the possessive pronoun. That is also checked in indirect speech. Now here look, objective case, I and me is the object of I and us is the object of we. Dear students, now we are going to understand the second person. In second person, you is used as a subjective case. It means you used in the sentence as subject. Look here. You're used in the sentence as an adjective because you always announce always come. Announce always comes. And same as use as a possessive pronoun and you use as a object. Now look here in third person. In third person, he, she, they, and it. He, she, they, and it. These are four words that is used in a subject, in a sentence as a subject. For he, we use as a possessive adjective is. Be careful here also. In pronoun is used for she, her, and hers. For they, their, and theirs. For its. Here look as object. For he, we use him as object, or we can say that him is the object of he. Her is the object of she. They is the object of they. It is the object of it. Now you understand this chart? Now we are going to discuss the rule of the person. See here. First person, second person, and third person. These are most important things in indirect speech. We have to tense properly to make indirect speech. Look here. Look here, rule number first. Rule number first. First person. First person is changed according to reporting according to reporting subject. Everyone knows what is reporting subject. First person change according to reporting subject. Look here, for example, suppose that Shreya is the name of a girl. Shreya said to me, I am going to Lucknow. I am going to Lucknow. Look here. I is the first person. Okay. Shreya. First person change according to the reporting subject. Reporting subject is Shreya. Third person. So it is Shreya is a girl. So she replaced the Shreya. It means she is the opposite of Shreya. So Shreya, she used here Shreya. In place of I, we use she. Look here how. So in that case, Shreya told me that. You know that I is the first person, and according to Shreya, I is changed to the she. She means she. She was who? She was going to Lucknow. She was going to Lucknow. You can see another example here. Mohit said, we are going to complete our work. We are going to complete our work. Look here. Mohit said that. Look here. Mohit said that we has come here as a plural form. Plural form means. So if we had to change we according to the reporting subject Mohit. According to the reporting subject Mohit. Mohit is a singular number he, but here we comes as a plural form. So there here is not he. We must use the plural form of he. The plural form of he is they. The word come here they. They were going to complete to clear our work. Our common work, so that is the possessive adjective, not pronoun. Possessive adjective. So what is the possessive adjective of they? Will it clear? Possessive adjective of they is their work. Look here. Mohit said that they were going to complete their work. I think you understand the first person. Now we are going to discuss on third person. Look here for more example of this sentence. Suppose that if anyone told you that he said this car is mine. Mine word used here. This car is mine. Be careful about this word mine. It is very necessary to change this word according to the sense. incorrect? Look here. He said that this, as earlier we says this into that, but here this indicates before he. So there is no change in this. You just write like that. This car was. Look here, mine. Mine. It means that is the possessive pronoun. We go in the chart of possessive pronoun and see what is used for he in possessive pronoun. I think his. This car was his. Understand? So we can be careful about the use of mine, yours, theirs. That is all. Follow the similar chart. If mine is here, so go in that particular chart in correlate with he, and look here in the pronoun chart you can get his. So what is the answer of the sentence? She said that this car was his. Now we are going to discuss on the rule number second. Rule number second. Rule number second. Rule second. Second person. Second person is changed according to reporting object. According to reporting object. Look here, reporting object. Second person is changed according to reporting object. Reporting object. Look here for the example. Suppose that if we write a sentence like that, Shreya said to me, you are my friend. You are my friend. You are my friend. Look here. Shreya said to me, you are my friend. Look here. You has come as subject in second person. And as a rule, second person says according to the object. Object is here. Reporting object is me. So you change according to me. You used here as a subject. So me, the subject of me is I. Subject of me is I. It means me replace as a I. Then you change into I because of reporting object. What is it right? Look here. Shreya told me that I was. Look here. Me, my has come here. That is changed according to Shreya. For Shreya, the adjective is her. I was her friend. Look here. I was her friend. Yes, friend. So, suppose that if there is no object in sentence, look here, one more example related to this sentence. Mohit said to Rama. Mohit said to Rama, you are going to complete You are going to complete your work. Your work. You are going to complete your work. You create Mohit set 2. Set 2 चाहिए तो told Mohit told Rama that. You change according to Rama. Rama is girl, so for girls we use she as a subject. She was going to complete your means her work. I think you understand how to change the second person in case of no object. Now we are going to discuss in case of no object. In case of no object. In case of no object, suppose that if in reported speech second person has been given, but in the reporting part there is no object. In this situation, we imagine an object either girl or boy. Understand? If there is no object, we imagine an object either girl or boy. Listen, we imagine not right. So when you are going to change direct into indirect, you just imagine like that. Mohit said, comma inverted. You are going to Lucknow. You are going to Lucknow. What's the answer? Here is no object. Just you imagine. So here is here we you take C. What is the answer? Mohit said that she was going to Lucknow. Okay, she was going to Lucknow. Now look here. That is the complete rule number 2. Now we are going to discuss rule number third person. Third person. No change in third person. For example, Rama said he is a good boy. Here he is the third person, there is no change. So Rama said that he was a good boy. Now dear friends, that is the complete rule of person. Some students learn this rule like SON formula SON 1, 2, 3. First person, second person, third person. It means first person change according to reporting subject, second person change according to reporting object, third person no change. Okay, thanks for watching my video.